How to fix DaVinci Resolve not opening. First, open the Windows menu. Then, type Settings in the search bar and open Settings. Next, in the Settings search bar, type Graphics Settings and select it. In the middle of the screen, click Add Desktop App and add your DaVinci Resolve app. After adding, click the drop-down arrow on DaVinci Resolve. You'll see GPU preference, select it. By default, it says let Windows decide, change it to high performance. Once done, just close the window. Now your DaVinci Resolve should open without any problem.
Subscribe to see more videos like this.